Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Chamberlain University student portal. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First, open up a browser and then search for Chamberlain University student portal. Then select the first link. This will take you to the Chamberlain University official page. And if you aren't a student and you want to apply, simply on the top, there is an apply button. Click on it. But if you are a current student and want to log into your account, scroll down a bit where you can see current student community login. Click on it. This will take you to the login page. And then choose what you want to log in as. I'm a student, so simply select student login. Then enter your username. And then enter your password. And select remember me if you don't want to keep on entering your username every time you want to log into the account. And once that's done, simply select sign in. And that's how you log into your Chamberlain University student portal. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you still have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.